Hello there. Time to take a look at the JBL Quantum 650 Wireless. Whether you're conquering virtual worlds or taking down your foes, the Quantum 650 has your back with immersive sound and unbeatable gameplay. Inside the box, you'll find the JBL Quantum 650 headset, USB-C cable, USB wireless dongle, detachable boom mic, windshield foam, a replaceable battery, and a quick start guide to get you in the game fast. Before you dive in, start by removing the cardboard from the hammock. Insert the replaceable battery and charge your Quantum headphones using the included USB-C cable. Simply connect the headphones to your device via Bluetooth or use the low-latency 2.4 GHz dongle. These headphones are compatible with nearly any platform, so you're good to go on PC, Mac, PlayStation, Switch, or even mobile. Attach the mic so everyone can hear you clearly, and use the windshield to reduce unwanted pops. The cardioid boom mic is unidirectional and noise-canceling, so your teammates will only hear your voice, not background noise or keyboard clicks. Press the button to mute your mic. Turn the left wheel to adjust the main volume, and the right wheel to control the balance between in-game audio and your chat. If you want to push the audio to the max, fire up JBL Quantum Engine. Customize your EQ to match your game. Whether you're defending your base or exploring new worlds, the right sound is there for you. For the ultimate immersive experience, activate the next-generation JBL Quantum Spatial Sound. You can also fine-tune your mic volume, adjust how much of your own voice you hear using side tone, and set the EQ for your voice to ensure crystal clear communication. The lightweight design of the JBL Quantum 650 ensures comfort for hours. And when it's time for a replacement, swapping out ear cushions, hammock, the mic or battery is a breeze. Replaceable parts not only extend the life of your headset, but also make it more sustainable. So go ahead, settle in, and keep gaming.